What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change out your rear passenger door handles, because mine's broken. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, I'm going to show you how to do it on a Kia Sportage 2008. So let's get to it. Alright, first up, what you're going to want to do is get some little thing like a pry or a pocket knife, and you're going to pop open these little tabs. You're about to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you're going to do 4, and then you're also going to pop open this panel, and then pop open that. There's a screwdriver thing that you got to take out before you can take out the whole thing. Also, you can take out this Delta mold. You gotta pop that out. Help you out a little easier to take out this whole thing. But be careful, because this switch for the window has a connector. So don't pull out your door handle just right away, because there's a connector here. You might break your stuff. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so we took out the caps that hide the screws. Remember, you're gonna have 4. And also I popped open this, because you're gonna use that to unscrew this panel. But yeah, you can't pop it out just yet, but you're gonna have to pop it out through here, okay? With things. So we're just gonna unscrew the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts that hold the door panel. And of course, we're gonna also like pry this open to take out the Delta molding to help this come out way easier. Alright, quick rundown. We popped off the Delta molding casting that kind of locks in the door panel. We took out the screw there. So we took out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total of 5 screws. And now we're just gonna pop open this bad boy. Yeah. If you have a flathead Phillips screwdriver, that works. But remember, just want to be gentle with all this. Yeah, so this, see, it slides out. And then we should have another screw to take out right here. Boom. Okay. So a total of 6 screws. Alright, so again, we took out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this will be the 6th screw that we're taking out from our door panel. Alright, so we took out the Delta molding panel, the door handle panel, the inside door handle panel, and 6 screws, as well as 3 caps. 4 caps, okay? Just so you know, that's what we do. Now we're just gonna remove this by prying open the sides and then lifting up. Let's go. And we got it off. So now we're just gonna pull open this water shield and get to work with loosening that bolt. Alright, so we pulled that little water splash shield, whatever, loose. Yeah, you got kind of this like sticky venom kind of bullshit. I don't know if you can see it, but we're gonna loosen actually that 1 screw that's in there, 1, and then 2, because this is where the door handle goes. Yep. I don't know if you can kind of see the door actuator. It's kind of in there. Yeah, there you go. And that's probably the hardest screw to reach back there. Alright, so these bolts in here are 10 millimeters. If you want to know, they're size 10. There's a trick that I did for the other one. It's kind of harder to do. You'll need to reach your socket, and if your fingers are really fucking strong, you can loosen that without taking this door actuator off, because that's where you have to actually put this to reach. You actually need a like extender for your socket. But yeah, I don't, because my fingers will be able to do it, I feel. And yeah. Okay, so what that's for. So there's 2 bolts, one that holds this one and one that holds the little cap that keeps it in. So you don't have to really unloosen it all the way. You could just kind of loosen it to the point where you could slide this, you know, out and pull. So we're just gonna have to pop this out a little bit from taking out the bolt, and then yeah, take this out so we could slide it and pull out. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it, the bolt is right there. We loosened that, not all the way because we don't want it to come out, but we loosened it to the point where this one can come off, see? And that gives this enough space to shimmy out like that and release. That other part that's broken, we're gonna have to pull that out and figure that out. Yeah, so we're gonna just push it out with the screw or with the knife, just like that. And we'll kind of like, there we go, got it out. All right, so we got our door handle. This one is from PT Auto Warehouse. I got it from Amazon. And as always, what I like to do is compare. We got the old one here, and we got our new one right here. New one, old one, new one. And it also comes with the rubber that locks into place like this. Okay. All right, guys. So everything we did, since we got the old and the new here, everything we did, we're gonna do in reverse. So let's go to. If you need more reach for the handle, you can take this out. This is the guide for the window. It's gonna be a screw here, one screw over here, which connects this. Okay, and then one screw on the side. It's right there. So you can take that out. Gives you more access to put your hand there and get that screw, so you don't have to take out this whole door actuator. But in reality, this hole is meant for that handle. But yeah, just a little hack if you want. This shit helps out. All right, before we put this in, what I like to do is always give it a little grease, you know, just a little grease on the parts that where the thing kind of moves around, just so it slides in a little better and it doesn't break off right away. You know what I mean? So yeah, just putting up a little oil grease right here. I don't have that heavy grease right now, but yeah. So the way you're gonna do this is actually, you're just gonna slide it in here like this, right? And then you're just gonna slide it where it locks back, like that. That's all you need to do. And then for this one, you're just gonna tap it on, you know, because it kind of clips in. Hopefully. All right, so you can put a socket in there, but the secret is to kind of go under this arm, and yeah, it's 10mm bolt. Just tighten it down and you should be good to go. Also, this one is a 10mm bolt too. So after you put those two bolts in and the handle and you tighten them down, do everything in reverse and you should be done. Alright, so we got our new door handle in. It's working. As you can see, we'll check it on the inside. And just like that, we're good. New door handle. Alright, and that's how you change out a 2008 Kia Sportage door handle on the passenger rear right hand side. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you have any arguments about this, comment down below. Please like this video and subscribe to your boy Mark. Yeah, peace. Have a good one.